Hi everyone, so welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to just share my opinion why I think the page speed scores are really not that important, and especially if you have a WooCommerce website where a lot of content is dynamic, then you should not invest too much time and your money on optimizing plugins which really doesn't do much to actually improve the user experience. A lot of plugins just fools the page speed scores, which will indicate that you have a very optimized website, but in real user experience, that doesn't really improve much because with dynamic content, there is not really that you can do without creating issues on your website, where people are seeing different wrong products in their carts and things like that starts to happen. So you need to understand how this optimization things works and whether it's really important for you. So a lot of WooCommerce site owners or e-commerce site owners who have online stores, their main traffic is coming from social media pages, referrals, and it's not even coming from Google SEO, because if you search anything on Google, you can try that, and you will see a lot of first you will see a lot of ads, and then on second, third, fourth results you will see big website companies, big retail companies like Walmart, Amazon, and other big companies are ranking for those keywords. So most of the small site owners are not even getting any sales from the SEO traffic, but they are focusing too much time and spending a lot of money on various plugins and stuff, CDN and everything that they don't even need, because if your traffic is coming from social media and referrals, and your website doesn't take like 2 3 seconds, you're just, when you enter your website it takes 2 seconds to load and you're just staring at a blank white screen, then you don't really need to worry too much about it. Just visit your website from your mobile, your PC, other devices, and try it from the incognito mode, so you are bypassing the cache. And if it loads fast, like if you don't feel the website is slow, then it's perfectly fine. Okay, so if you really need to optimize your website, you should focus on few things, and everything will work out. So first you need to invest in a good hosting server that can handle the requirements of your website, especially when during peak hours. And then optimize the media assets on your website. It means the product images or other images and other media content that you upload on your website. They should be compressed, so you can use tools like Photoshop, or there are various online tools to compress images. But I would suggest to pick something that can compress images locally on your PC if there are a lot of images, so that will be good. And don't put autoplay videos, that will really slow the website, and it just affects the user experience. And then what you can do is use simple optimization plugins. There are a lot of free plugins available that can help you optimize the images. You can use WebP version of the images, and you can try to lazy load the content. So lazy loading means is when user enters your website, let's say it's a really big page, and you don't need to load everything at once. So what you can do is, you with the lazy load method, what happens is when the user scrolls your page, it only loads the content that is visible at that time on their screen. So it doesn't load the whole content of that page at once, so that improves the speed. And then you can use like Redis caching and your server caching. Like if you're using a Lightspeed server, then you can use their plugin, and it's the free version is really great and offers a lot of good features. And that's more than enough to optimize your website. And if your customers are located in different countries in different parts of the world, then you can consider using a CDN. And if your audience customers are located in the same country, in nearby places, then just pick a hosting company which has a server near to your customers, and you don't need to invest in a CDN. Now, and so that's pretty much what you need for a dynamic content based website like WooCommerce. And if you have a blog type of website or a simple company based website, like you have a 3 4 pages or 5 6 pages type of website, which has very static content, it doesn't change much, then you can use simple plugins like WP Super Cache. It's built by the same WordPress core team. So it's free and it will convert your pages into HTML pages, caching version, and it just makes your website simply fast. And if you just optimize your images, and that's it, right? You don't need to invest too much into any other plugins, because most of the plugins are just delaying the loading things, which fools the page speed score tools, but it actually doesn't make your website fast. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful. If you have any queries, you can post in the comments and I will try to answer your questions.